So the clippers came in. It came in like that. Well, it was 80% charged, but now it's charged to 100%. You have to charge it on your phone charger. It came with 4 clippers, like it said, the oil, the brushes underneath. It came with the comb, the scissors. So we're gonna see. The only problem I have is taking off the clipper. I try to remove it just to see how it would be, but it's difficult. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. And then you see you have the digital monitor, I guess, but now it's 100%. The magic is seeing how the haircut is gonna be. This is Angel. She's gonna have her haircut because her hair is very thick. She's an 8-year-old Yorkie. And this is Jojo. He's a 2-year chocolate Yorkie. He's gonna get trimmed. So we'll see the after effect and I will let you know.
Here we are using the pet clippers. My dog doesn't love to get groomed, but he has these weird cowlicks on his snout. Just between groomings, we need to be able to trim them, so we got these pet trimmers. Okay, not so bad.
There we go, good boy.
Oh, he's looking good. So you can see they come with a bunch of different attachments and a pair of scissors and a nice brush.